It feels like forever since we last saw something new in GoPro's 360 lineup. Back in 2019, the original GoPro Max arrived and made a huge impact, giving creators a new way to capture immersive, all-around footage. But as the years passed, the Max stayed quiet, almost like GoPro had shelved the idea altogether. Meanwhile, the Hero series kept evolving, bringing upgrades year after year, leaving many fans wondering if the 360 game was over for GoPro. Now, the wait is finally over. GoPro has officially teased the long-rumored Max 2, and this time it's not a blurry leak or vague rumor. It's a real, official preview. That teaser shows a product that looks redesigned, refined, and ready to compete in a market that has evolved massively since 2019. Today on Technify, we're diving into what the Max 2 could bring, the upgrades GoPro needs to nail, and why this could be their big comeback. The teaser, revealed in early July, immediately gave fans plenty to talk about. GoPro didn't shy away from showing the camera itself, and the first thing you notice is how much sleeker and modern the Max 2 looks. The dual-lens 360 setup remains, the trademark of the Max line, but the body appears slimmer, more refined, and easier to travel with. That means lighter weight, less bulk, and far greater convenience when mounting it to helmets, bikes, or even handheld rigs. Compared to the original Max, which sometimes felt a bit chunky, this design shift feels like a direct answer to the needs of today's creators. But design is just the beginning. Where the Max 2 could really stand out is in performance and features. The first Max capped out at 5.6K resolution, which was strong at the time. But since then, the industry has moved forward. Competing brands are pushing higher resolution for sharper, more flexible video. It's only natural to expect GoPro to step up here, giving creators crisp detail that allows them to crop, reframe, and still maintain professional-level clarity. For anyone editing immersive content, higher resolution means more freedom to tell stories without compromise. One of the most exciting possibilities lies in AI-driven features. Imagine shooting a single 360 clip and letting the camera, or the companion app, do the hard work for you. Autoframing powered by AI could automatically highlight the best angles, track subjects in motion, and frame shots that feel cinematic without requiring hours of manual editing. This isn't just a convenience feature, it's a game changer that could make 360 accessible to anyone, from beginners to advanced users. Object tracking is another area where expectations are high. The ability to lock onto a subject and keep it perfectly centered, whether it's a mountain biker speeding down a trail or kids running in the backyard, would make the Max 2 incredibly versatile. Combined with GoPro's legendary stabilization, this feature could elevate action footage to an entirely new level. The first Max already impressed with smooth stabilization, but the Max 2 is expected to push the limits even further, creating buttery smooth footage even in the most intense motion. Another big focus could be software. While hardware matters, what sets apart great 360 cameras today is the editing experience. Rival brands already deliver user-friendly apps that make reframing, subject tracking, and sharing effortless. For GoPro to take back the spotlight, the Max 2's software needs to be equally polished, with smart AI tools like predictive editing, instant highlight reels, and maybe even voice-guided editing inside the app. This is where GoPro could really win over users who want professional-looking results without spending hours in editing software. What we're seeing isn't just a small refresh. The Max 2 feels like GoPro's statement that they're back in the 360 race. Smarter, sleeker, and more in tune with what today's creators demand. It's a product that has the potential to appeal not just to adrenaline junkies, but also to vloggers, travelers, parents, and anyone who wants to tell stories in immersive ways. So, where does that leave us with the GoPro Max 2? From what we've seen in the teaser and from what we can expect based on GoPro's track record, this doesn't feel like just another upgrade. It feels like a comeback story. A design that's lighter and easier to carry, features that could take full advantage of AI, and a software experience that might finally bring effortless 360 editing to everyone. If you've ever thought about trying 360 video, or if you've been holding on to your original Max waiting for something new, the Max 2 might be exactly what you've been waiting for. It has the potential to become one of the most exciting camera launches of the year, not only for professionals but for anyone who loves capturing moments in creative ways. That's all for today's breakdown. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Technify for more updates and reviews.